is actually warm out, clear skies, no rain, and so we're gonna go for a short hike on the Elephant Swamp Trail. Alright, if you didn't already know, Heather's yoga beginner video is now available for $5 on Vimeo. The link will be in the description. Yeah, so we saw a toad, now we just need to see a turtle and a snake and I guess an elephant, right?
I'm kind of digging the whole a family who hikes together stays together. We're just missing the cat. Mr. Fritz?
Huh?
What calls do you get when you own a business that are annoying?
Oh, health insurance, business loans, and Google specialists.
Google specialists.
That was a nice short little walk, but we didn't see any elephants.
Huh. Expected the Rocky Mountains to be a little rockier than this.
I was thinking the same thing. That John Denver's full of shit, man.
So today's a cleaning day, and maybe we'll do like a little RV tour after we're done.
This is our humble abode.
We're still not level.
So this is the part that hooks into the truck, the tongue. This here is a stabilizer. It does not support the weight. It just keeps it from shaking when you're walking around so much. So yeah, it's just to stabilize. So this is the relaxation area. We got the awning. We kind of stole the picnic table, borrowed. We will leave it here. It's just we walked it over from a campsite that no one was at. And we have our lawn chairs, and there's the Lucy.
That look. And Thor.
So Lucy's a little extra mad today because we gave her a bath. And we used the outdoor shower for that, which was one of the features I wanted when we were RV shopping because, you know, dealing with dog hair inside an RV is hard enough as it is. We have a bus back door. I love this thing. We don't really use it regularly, but I love it knowing that because this is the office on the inside, and we'll show that in a second, but I love that I could like, hey, I'm teaching, I need some fresh air.
I need some fresh air.
This is the outdoor shower, so this is where we washed Miss Lucy. This is a water filter. We don't always trust the water we're drinking, so it's nice to have it filtered before it heads in. We only have one slide, and this is all I wanted. I didn't want 3 slides. Some people want 3 slides. It has a lot of extra room. I was good with just 1. We also have little underbelly storage. I'm just gonna open one side because we have 3 compartments, but this side we've got like our tools, got some bug spray stuff to keep the ants out, got Lucy shampoo, step stool, and my yoga platform. It has been raining a lot lately, so I put it away because yoga and rain, yeah, it's cool, but you know, just not doing it. So this is the boudoir and the bathroom, the litter box, the human litter box. There was a comforter that came with our RV that like matched the color scheme, and it kind of made me feel like a 50-year-old woman. So, so we put fuzzy blankies. Obviously clothes go in there. I'm not showing you that mess because that's just a mess. We did have a big TV in here. We took that out so we could have room for our printer, and you know, the whole point of going on the road was to get away from screens anyway. So, and then we have our nice radio that surrounds sound, which is nice. The CD thingy doesn't close, but hey, that's just some of the shit you run into when you buy used. You know, and we really wanted a table. I am 6 foot tall. I hate booths. Hate booths because I feel like I have to like roll out onto the floor to get out of them. So I really wanted table and chairs, which works nicely. And this came with 4 chairs. So when we had our office, we just took 2 chairs and threw them back there to use, which is nice. So then if we have company come over, bring chairs back out. All works. The couch. We, again, I did not like the color scheme very much. Made me feel like a 50-year-old woman, so I put this blanket over it. Plus, with having a dog and her hair, she sheds like crazy. So having a blanket really helps because I can just rip it off, wash it, put it back. That's why there's 2 blankets, because she just gets dirty and you just shed all the time. She's like, no, I don't. Whiteboard. We love this thing because we write on it all the time, obviously. It worked nicely because we screwed it right onto our door. This is the door to the office, which is wonderful for when I'm teaching Chinese children because I need to have, well, hello. I need to have it mostly quiet. And of course, obviously, like this guy, he's just trouble. So if I didn't close this door, he would come up and say hello to every child in China that he could because obviously. We have a ton of space back here, which is awesome. There was 2 bunks here running along this way. And then there was 2 bunks over there where you are. The bookshelf was already in. We left that in. I use this just for my background for when I'm teaching. I take it down, roll it up. But when I'm teaching, like obviously I have a bunch of books, but when I'm teaching my kiddos, I like having the map up. It's kind of a whole worldly thing, like, hey, you're over here and I'm over here kind of thing. And then, you know, this is just the command center for everything. And then there's Andrew's setup. Andrew loves having his big screen for editing and all that good stuff. And the internet routers are over there, which if you watched our previous video, Andrew explained why we have 2. Yeah, and I have to have really good lighting. I love this light. It bounces the light off the wall for me. Because kids need to see my face when I'm teaching, so I had so instead of like holding a light like right in front of my face, you know, kind of being like, hello, I just bounce it off the wall, which is nice. And I have this nice cabinet area full of all my kid toys. Not opening that because, again, I'm a hot mess. So I just have like a box of toys that I just pull out and like teach with. So, and then I have my yoga gear in here. I have my guitar. Again, I'm not an organized person. It's a hot mess in there, so I'm not showing you. Yeah, this is some of the stuff from our wedding. Just some things that was gifted us. You know, these are like sentimental things that we wanted to keep with us. Andrew's parents gave us this because there's a little black kitty cat that looks like Thor on it. And obviously we like skulls, so we're just really weird like that.
This is our stove top. It's propane. There's our oven. It doesn't quite work yet, so we need to work on that.
Because I need to bake cookies. Like, this is depressing me that whenever it's like late at night and I need a sugar rush, I can't just bake cookies. Thank you for coming along with us inside our home. We love living on the road. We love living out of an RV, and we would love you to continue following our journey. So subscribe to this video, subscribe to our channel.